Hi to everyone. What I have here, this is my new addition to my tools. These are 12 pieces of 6-point sockets on 3/8 drive, which are made by Genius. I have already unboxed it, as you can see, and now I will show you it and details about them. So, Genius, Canadian tool manufacturer. The part number is GD312M. You can check it on Genius official site. This is made from chrome vanadium steel, and as I already mentioned, 12-piece 3/8 deep socket set. It starts from 8 and continues till 19 millimeters. Here you can see that this is made in Taiwan, as every tool now. The majority of well-known manufacturers are doing their tools and stuff abroad, overseas, and the Taiwan is the best country to produce the steel tools. This is the best mixture of quality and cost. About cost, I want to say that I have paid for 12 deep sockets only $21, and I bought them from Amazon. This was the last one, and with the Prime membership I was able to buy it so cheaply. The regular price for this kit is $13 on ebay.com. So guys, the styling of the socket is very good. Here you can see that the sockets are two component styling. They have two component styling. The bottom of the socket is made from satin finish. Here you can see, and the top part of the socket is chrome plated and is shiny. One thing that is very important for me is that every socket, even 8 and even 19, is the same height. The length of each socket is the same, and it is very good for me. I don't like the deep sockets which have the little sizes shorter and deep sizes longer. I don't think that it is reasonable. One positive about it, that it came with me with this socket rail, very good to hang on my tool wall. As previously reviewed 10 tool sockets which I reviewed on my channel, this one also have some defects. The defects will not appear and on the working quality of the sockets, but the cosmetic defects is a regular thing about Taiwan made tools. They all have factory cosmetic defects, even when they are brand new and unused. Here you can see about what I am about talking, and I was disappointed about it, but I already know that if you are not buying American made or German made or Japan made tools, the tools from Taiwan and from China will have some defects. But what I gave for it, I think that the defects have no big meaning and the sockets will work very good. They don't like other sockets, especially guys when you are searching some tools from Taiwan. I think that there is one tool manufacturer and other rebrand them, and every tool has only different manufacturer letters and look the same. I cannot say it about these tools. I have not seen another tool manufacturer socket which will look like this and will have the two component looking. Only the Wirt and Japan made Koken socket have this type of looking, but I have read online that Genius is the tool manufacturer for them too. They are branding Genius sockets and sell them that way. But I cannot imagine that Wirt socket will have the factory cosmetic defects as Genius socket have here, but Wirt or Koken will cost you 3 or 4 times more than this. At once I am repeating that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All of them I gave only $21. And I think it is a rare bargain for me now. I bought them because I have no 6-point sockets on my tool collection on 3/8 drive. 3/8 drive is the most common drive you will use on the car. It is not too big and it is not too little. It have enough strength, so 6-point sockets for 3/8 drive is very important. I have some England made good quality brie tools, but they are 12-point, and when I was working on my dad's MK4 GTI, that car is from Hanover, Germany, and it has very rusted bolts, and it was very difficult to work with the rusted bolts with 12-point sockets, so that's why I decided to go to this guy. So now I will take one socket and show you the details about it. The markings are engraved and it is very good. I don't like the laser markings. When the sockets are dirty you cannot see what is the size. This is very noticeable size. It is 18. Even if you look from the distance you will also see what the size it is. 18 Genius, and the part number of the socket. You can buy every socket from the site separately on Genius Tools official site, but it's good to have the set like this. What is inside? Nothing special, a regular machining. I cannot say that inside is painted, but it is well manufactured from inside and feels on your hand very solid. I think that the sockets will last me a very long time. I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm a weekend DIY guy, and these tools will last me a very long time. For the price I gave for them, I'm very happy and think this is very good investment. So guys, recommend to everyone, go and check on Amazon, and if you have the chance to got it for $21. Go and buy. It is my recommendation. This video is not promotional as any of my videos. I buy what I want, and when I feel and see how they look, I recommend it to my watchers and subscribers. In this situation, I definitely recommend this socket set for every DIYer. So guys, this is a short video about my new additions. Stay tuned. I want to ask you to subscribe. Looking for 1,000 subscribers. Summer is coming and many interesting videos are waiting and will come soon. So stay tuned and goodbye.